Hi everybody, welcome back. You ever hear the saying who say if you don't have nothing good for send, no send nothing? Well, today may come up with one. If you don't have nothing good for send, no send nothing. You have some people over here who take up sending barrel pan them head. Sometimes people don't even ask them for nothing, but through them say they want the good will. When they go to say the will not good all the way, make the will stay, because if the barrel and go full of nice good stuff for the people, it's just make it stay. Yeah, some people over here instead of pack barrel and go on something in pantry. And they collect all the nice, good stuff them. Tin mackerel, bully beef, sardine, tin milk, you know, all of them good stuff there. And on the other hand, Pandelis, you know, them collect some little something where foreign people used to them, like, you know, cranberry sauce, apple sauce, sweet yam. We don't know there's a rent yam we used to. We don't know what kind of sweet yam at, but in a can at that. We don't use them something there. Then put the barrel on. When they send the barrel to Jamaica, you know, see all of them nice stuff there in there. You only see the something we're not even used to. Some of the word them some people can't even pronounce, because we don't used to turn something out there like that. You understand me? So then, so we don't take people far. If you don't want them, one I send them go give people for one to the nice good stuff they want to keep back for themselves. You get 6 cents to what they then know. If you can't send another good stuff, they keep by the stuff them when you don't want. Because if you don't want it, I don't know why you think people out there go want it. Then they have one next set, you know. They must send clothes, they want to put clothes in that barrel, and they live from a little apartment complex or they got church or something, and so they walk around. Sister B, you're not having it, you're not having it, all clothes you don't want. And then go upstairs and my neighbor may send one barrel, God, Jamaica, having all clothes you don't want. It not have to be like that. Why are all clothes you don't want? You are walking and beg it for yourself. Why you think the people out there want it? I don't know why the people over here think that Jamaicans out there scavenger. I'm telling me got Jamaica with you. I'm told me the people them at and look good. Some of them over here them all beg, them beg, you know, and then everything they get end up dropping on the barrel. They're not even, you know, go through them one by one to see what is what. They must send winter boot, winter jacket. Not pan the coldest there Jamaica. Some jacket when me see over here, you don't need that out there, because you will cook, you will commit suicide and nothing kind of clothing there. You understand? So the people over here will take it up on their head, so them have to pack barrel. If nobody not ask you, if people not specifically answer for things, just make it stay if you not go send the things, if you not go send nice things. Some of them are one barrel of foolishness, one barrel of full half a full clothes, half a full food. Then people, you know, and them have to save up all of that money, you know, so them are go off, because don't know the price, don't go off if you know over here and send the barrel and get a piece of paper down at airport to clear the barrel, you know, so it's a hefty fine. It come like a carrier go down a wharf, go by. You understand? People have to save this big money, because you say I send barrel go there. People don't expect you to send money neither, you know, half. And people save up all them good money and go for go off, go say this bag of foolishness. Then don't even know how to pick out of the barrel. Sometimes people have to left it. Because one bag of foolish, you see? After you make people get up out of them bed early morning. Imagine all somebody come from Portland and go charter taxi from Portland, to come at town, to go down a wharf, and then to go down a wharf and then go pay the agent round there, so, and then to go custom. And just one bag of money at history. You know, all of that money could have buy some, could have gone to one supermarket, go buy some nice, lovely stuff. Yes. So me say, if you don't want the things them for yourself, you know, send them to people out there, because people out there is not scavenger. You understand me? I know no want to do goodwill, but left it alone if you can't do it. Yes, man, that may tell you now. Anyway, this is CC Lane. You can I'm asking you please to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because the videos are coming up. I also have a Facebook page, Nothing But the Truth by CC Lane. Please like, share, and may I beg you no comment, because I don't want everybody to sit down and watch. Everybody can agree with me, because I know that some people that don't like me and some people that go and say something. So no say it, man. I understand we have a nice conversation flowing, because I thought the things them. Me see it as the truth, I don't know where you see it as. So just drop in your views and make we hear where I go on. Until next time, bye.